After climbing Gilbert Peak, we headed back from Yakima to Lopez Island, which has been a place where my family has gone to vacation for several generations. In fact, my great-grandparents used to have a house on Lopez Island, and the house we stay in this video used to belong to my grandfather before he suddenly passed away and my grandma had to sell it. It is now owned by my mom's first cousin. It used to belong to his father, who was brothers with my grandfather. We went here a few times as kids and I just absolutely love the island. I'll show it on a map here, but it is located in the San Juan Islands in Puget Sound, just off of Seattle. You can take a short ferry ride from Seattle, as well as Mukilteo, which is north of Seattle, and a few other locations in order to get to the San Juan Islands. Definitely recommend coming here if you are visiting Seattle.
When we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back, honeysuckle, fresh cut grass.
We had a great time this year, and in fact my entire immediate family came as well. We went crabbing, rowboating, paddleboarding, kayaking, and I briefly went swimming in my winter wetsuit.
Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors, summer love.
So it's about a 5-hour drive from Yakima to Lopez Island. In fact, it'd probably be 6.5 hours or so from Gilbert Peak to Lopez Island, but luckily we did stop off at a family member's house on the reservation before heading over, and then we stopped back in at my parents / brothers / grandparents' property and recuperated for the night before heading out to Lopez Island.
That's sure something I could use.
The ferry system here in the San Juans is pretty efficient, but keep in mind you do need to make a reservation before going on the ferry, and of course it's much cheaper for pedestrians than it is for cars.
Is it in the way you're moving? What's heaven like when you're like that? Is it in the way you're moving? Sunlight, sunlight. Is it in the way you're moving? What's heaven like when you're like that? Baby, give me more highlight, sunlight. Baby, give me more, some more, summer. It's a summer Without you, the song would have made it there.
Do you see it?
It's a starfish, isn't it?
Oh, it's a starfish. Oh.
Swing over.
Oh, are you trying to lure the crab in?
Yeah, we'll set.
Is this mine?
So you want garlic bread?
Yeah.
Go to bed and
Yep.
he won't come out, so. He's cornered.
You won't have a choice, but. Too small.
They have to be measured.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, we're not bringing him down. We're not bringing him down.
Okay.
I don't know. Gus is a good boy
I
though.
don't think Gus will like it. And we're
Aw,
not
Gussie.
Yeah, I would. No,
Gus,
no,
go hang out with your boy.
I don't think he'll like
He might jump out. Ash and Gus would get along. Like Ash would have to display his dominance first.
Oh no, Gus is gonna jump out. Bro.
And then Rez dog visits the ocean. Rez dog goes to a beach house. Crab trap? Oh no. Well, I mean. Earlier.
Gus, no. Do you want a bucket?
Got it.
Gus is like,
Okay. Go, go.
There was a small one. It was definitely. Yeah, I tossed it. It was too small. Means they're a male.
I know.
wait, where?
Oh.
A point.
It's okay. Don't need
That's fine. I'll get them again.
So you get him from the back.
Yeah, so if you grab them like this, the big ones can't get you. What I learned today is the small ones still can.
Gus, don't.
So that point that on the bottom of their shell there,
Yeah.
that means they're a male.
No,
A
Gus.
female has like a rounded.
I'm sitting. But
Leave
I'm
it.
Gus, no.
Hill.
Leave it.
Like a hill.
Gus is gonna eat it
Gus
in
is
the middle
like,
of
"This is
the. You better
amazing."
come in, Gus.
Gus,
don't.
you're gonna get bit, bud.
Gus, no.
He's bobbing for crap.
Gus, no.
Gus,
No,
come
no,
on,
no,
come
no.
on, guys, come on, bud.
Do you want to cover it?
You're gonna learn a bad lesson, bud.
Do you want to?
This way?
All in. I don't think there's any other.
Follow me for more outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching.